morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Thursday, the 5th of October, 2023, 8:07 a.m. Central Time, another day of the stock market down. Now, before I get too far along, and this to me is important, I want you to remember, I put out a special report on stock indices because we're going to talk about that. This break fits right in with what the report is showing. I didn't do it with normal charts like these. I went instead to the more research seasonal charts comparing 30 years, 15, and 5-year, what has happened historically in this time frame that we're in, this type of break that we've had in the marketplace, and what happens going forward. Does past history have limitations? You better believe it. It is no guarantee of what the future is going to be. None. But history does show you what did happen. And over 30 years, there were many events similar to what we have now, 15 and 5. Therefore, you take them into account and you just say, hey, this is what a market has typically done. If you're interested in seeing the report, simply move your cursor up here, give a click to the icon, it'll take you right to the area. You can also go to iraepstein.com, into research, and for you people that are already subscribers, just go to your member login on our website and go right to the report. Pretty simple for you to do. All right, so let's go back and take a look at what we've got right now. Stock market down, metal markets down, the dollar waffling, as is the euro currency. It's been either side here of 30 to 31.5, back and forth all morning. I've been up since 3 watching it. Another 10-cent decline in heating oil. Don't know where the market's going to finally try to bottom out, but this is the washout of years, all at one time. Corn market made a new break low just recently, got into yesterday's range, held it so far. The wheat market, stable. Bean market down at this point. What do we have in terms of data this morning? So we come over here. We first look at the Challenger reports. They came in at 47,457. So they were looking for 75,000 planned cuts. They're not there. They are about a third less than that. When we get to jobless claims, they were up 2,000. The market was expecting up 5,000. And instead of continuing claims rising, they fell by 1,000. So the labor market, you can't say this is a weak report. It's not a super strong one. You know, it would be super strong if the claims fell under 200,000 again. Then we get to the trade balance. Now, this number looks great. They expected 60. They got 58.3. The prior number was 65. However, the U.S. is a major exporter of crude. Crude oil prices were soaring during this time frame. So you're seeing the impact. Now, on the October number, you'll see the decline hit the market because you still stayed up pretty good in September. Energy analysts are forecasting the EIA natural gas report at $93 billion. That's still under the seasonal averages, and it explains in part why you're still getting something of a bid in the natural gas right here. So you put it all together, you try to come up with a game plan. I have one for you. Remember to move your cursor up here. Take a look at that stock report. My reports are only up 3 business days. I put it up yesterday, so I warn you, it's going to disappear on you very quickly. They're not meant to be on the website very long. By my design, they come off 3 business days after I put it out. Got it? I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with your market wrap-up. You take care.